Sitting here, I realized that some people just don't know how to fake fart correctly. They're just so lazy when they do it. There's no finesse, and skill, or even art to it. Back then, in my day, we would practice our farting in third grade. We would practice our fake farting. It was very funny, pretty awesome, basically. But it's like no one else to do it no more. You know, like why can't you just do it good? All I hear is just. It's not even good, bad, terrible. Right? So I'm gonna sit here, talk with you today on how to fart properly. Fake, not actual farting, obviously, because it's nasty. No one wants to smell your bad backwards breath. That's what it basically is. So think of breath, right? And think of the opposite. Where's the opposite of the mouth? The butt. So, yeah. So, what I have here today is a test trial on what it should sound like, right? I have this thing where you pull his finger and farts. I've been having this. I don't know why I've been having this. I know I just have it. So this is what a fart should sound like. Very good, very good. Very wet. See? Don't even sound like it. Don't even sound like it. So you can't do it properly. It's impossible, basically. You just can't do it. You just can't do it. So I'm gonna teach you the science behind how to do it, basically. So how do I explain this in like simple terms? So with the butt cheeks, right? They kind of have like this close, right? So they close in. It's like a little. It's like so. Think of the ass cheeks as of the lips of the butt, okay? And the butthole is the mouth. When you do this, it does that like makes a little vibrating noise. See? Now think of that, but for the butt. So we don't have our faces are not butts, basically. So our lips are like this. You turn that sideways. How do we do that? Plus, the butt cheeks are bigger than the lips. So we have to use our hands. Our hands are like the butt cheeks for our mouth now. And I even have the proof to show you that I have science. I'm a scientist. Okay? So I got this sixth grade. Science fair. Yeah. So I helped out. I was very good. I did a study on how would ice melt. Let's think of this, okay? Would a sphere of ice melt faster than a cube of ice? Could be. But yeah, would it melt faster? When I thought about it, like, pretty genius. I still think it's genius, actually. It's just simply because it just makes sense. Like, it's like, does it take the same amount of time? Or would it take more time? These are things you gotta understand. Let's say you just have a cube of ice. Or like, there's like just ice protecting the ice. But if you have like this really flat cube of ice, it's gonna melt quicker because there's more sun able to penetrate the ice and kill it. So yes. So anyways, like I was saying, the ice is not the butt of the. That's not even what I was saying. I'm trying to say that the hands will be the butt for whenever you want to try to fart. So you just go here. So this is the butt. Alright, the butt. You go here. You just do what you're doing normally, but set to the back a little bit so it has a little bit more space to be free, like farts. So you just go. You go. See? Obviously. See? You know how that sounds so much better than this. See? Okay, I'll give you an example. Okay. That's not perfect, actually. See? And now, there's other ways to do it too. You could use your armpit. Well, yeah. Girls may not like it when they can't do with the armpit because, they got stuff under the armpit, like hair. Men, we can shave that. Actually, no, that's opposite, backwards. The men's, so the hair on the men's, right, give it the hair gives it like vibrations basically. So it vibrates to the hair. It's like a softener for the back, so you won't see it, the sound come from that. Okay, you do this. See, perfect. What doesn't work as better as girls. So suck it, girls. This is what you get. So yes, you're welcome.